In unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have given 1 or 2 questions from each unit. So it will be helpful for you to revise a quick revision. So from unit number 1, I have given sole proprietorship advantages and disadvantages of a sole proprietorship. And second question is define business and what are the essential features. Features is nothing but advantages and disadvantages. If your advantages and disadvantages combinedly, if you are writing, means that is called features. So business features and advantages and disadvantages, sole proprietorship advantages and disadvantages. So these 2 questions I have given from unit number 1. So sole proprietorship is nothing but individual proprietor. Already in our channel explanation videos is there, so this 2 questions is enough. And second unit, explain a joint stock company features and advantages and disadvantages. This one question compulsory, this question will be in your question paper. And from third unit I have given levels of management, functions of management, Henry Fayol 14 principle, functions of management. Out of these 2, one question will be definitely important, compulsory it will come. And from unit number 4 I have given MBO, that is management by objectives or organizations. And second question is define planning, explain types of planning and advantages and disadvantages of planning. So this 2 questions is important from unit number 4. And the last unit from B.O.M, I have given 2 questions, decentralization of authority, delegation of authority. So this 2 questions is important. So compulsory, if you have learned this around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this 9 questions compulsory, you can easily pass and you can easily score A or A plus in this subject. If you want only passing marks, means I will give a top 7 important questions. You prepare that questions and attempt that questions only in the examination. Compulsory you will get passing marks. Compulsory that questions only will get repeated. What are that question means? So this is the past questions whichever I have given. Henry Fayol 14 principles of management, joint stock company, sole proprietor, business, levels of management or functions of management, any one questions you can prepare, planning and decentralization of authority. So this 7 questions is enough to get passing marks in B.O.M subject. Okay, so I hope that this video is useful to you all. Prepare these questions only for the especially backlog students. Already in our channel explanation videos are there, you just check out in our channel, just type our channel name along with the subject name, you will get the videos. Okay, all the very best for your examination as well as the preparation. See you all in next video. Bye bye students. If you think this channel is worthy, this video is worthy, then do subscribe to our channel, because our channel is near to 50k subscribers. Okay, see you all in next video. Bye bye students.